Hello and welcome to Pronouncemasters. Today, I will assist you in learning how to pronounce the name Jackson correctly. Let's break it down into syllables. The name Jackson has two syllables, Jack and Son. Let's focus on each syllable individually. The first syllable is Jack, which sounds like the word Jack that refers to a playing card. Repeat after me. Jack.
Jack.
Jack. Now, let's move on to the second syllable, Son. It sounds like the word son, which refers to a male child, son. Repeat after me. Son. Son. Son.
Now, let's put it all together. Jackson, Jackson, Jackson. Great job! Remember to pronounce both syllables distinctly, Jack and son.
Jack. Son.
You're doing fantastic. Here's a quick recap of the pronunciation. Jackson, Jackson, Jackson. If you have any further questions or need assistance with anything else, feel free to comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching.